What's up, Rippy Owner? How you doing, my man? Getting absolutely... I literally woke up in profit today. I threw some stink bids down here. Not down here, sorry. Down here. Down here. Here. And they filled overnight and then just been getting slaughtered since. Where do we go? Do we get a pullback? I mean, that's... We'll talk about it in a minute. We'll talk about it. It's probably a good choice, Rippy, I don't know. Hey, Isabel. Florian. Rippy Arno, I'm like 90% sure we're going to range highs. 90% sure. Yo, what up, Quincy? Black Jaguar. Yo, what up, George? Yo, sorry I missed the stream last night, fam. I had family in town from Florida. She drove up, cousin. She was only in town for one night. So spent the night with her. I meant to do a shout out. My bad. My bad. I think we might actually pump into close. We'll see. Yo, happy week of close, fam. Thank you for coming. Appreciate all the love and support. Yo, we got a big move coming. Big move up or down. Volatility is coming down here on the 1 hour. We got the weekly close, of course. Let's check out that weekly candle. It is a god candle, fam. This is a god tier candle. Here's the weekly candle. It's beautiful. What do we have in stake on this weekly as far as EMAs and MAs? Well, we got the 10 MA, which is important. It's got a nice hook, a seat, whatever you want to call it. This tends to be bullish if we can close over it. Now, it doesn't look like we're going to close over right now with 54 minutes left in the weekly close, but there's definitely a chance we could close over it. We'd have to pump about $260 though into the close, which is possible. Have you seen today? Today's volatility has been absolutely nuts. I started out in profit, and now literally half my trading portfolio is down today from being up like 15%. Like I got trapped in some shorts and some longs, and you know, I played a trend line and I shouldn't have played a trend line. I misread volatility and I was impatient, and I honestly had way too much to do this weekend. That in fact has a huge attribute of a trader. I'm not gonna lie, if you spend too much time looking at the charts, clearly right here it looked like we were gonna lose it. 2 hour, okay, has been bearish. Volatility increasing on this, but really not that hot. I will say this: we have bearish divergence up here on the 2 hour with the stochastic, the RSI. We made a move up, but that doesn't really matter. As far as the market makers are concerned, fam, all they need to do is close it, or the hourly looks even better. All they need to do is close it over the general trend right here for a nice move up. Now, there's a lot of room we could go down, right? We could go down back to the lows, just reset this whole move. That probably take us back to, look at this 3 hour down as well. They've just been cooling it off. They've been walking it up while cooling off the RSI, but they could just let it drop, cool off the RSI, max out the lows of the RSI on most of the lower time frames. But everything else looks pretty bullish. Like I said, look at the weekly, fam. Even with that 10 MA, even if they don't catch that 10 MA today, right? We got an increase. Oh, no, we don't. Was increased up. Now at this price, it's not increased up. So we're at like 21.8. On the daily, we still have hot volatility. So I'm not too worried about this. Any pullback should be longed, in my opinion. Any pullback should be longed. I would expect, you know, a simple man would expect this to get tested. This is a very clean retest, 20.7. So we could come down here, bounce there. I would long there personally. I would not expect lower. I would not expect 19.9, 19.8. At this point, we don't want to drop back in this range. I think it would be bearish at that point. So right here, and then move up to the range highs. This is a range, fam, and I do think that we should play the range. Like I said, regardless what happens today at the close, any pullback should be longed. And right here, you can just see the range we're playing right here. It's very, very clean on the daily. Here's the range. Right, high, low. We're like a mid-range right now. In fact, we're still underneath mid-range, which is right about there. Very clean. But if we do pull back, you long it, because I do think we're going up. I don't think we're going to come down here and revisit below 20.5. Now, 20.7 would be an ideal area to long. But what I've seen today, and what I didn't even notice until after I got literally shit on in the last 3 hours of the day, in this crazy volatility. I mean, literally we had, for 3 hours, the entire day, we had just like a 3% range. You could have, if you knew what you were doing as a scalper, 1%, 2%, 3%. It's just crazy, dude. Fucking just crushed. So, what's the plan? Well, pull back we long. We got the CME down here, 20.3. Here's the CME line. What is the CME? It's the CME gap. Don't really play those personally, but I do expect this to be the center point of the week. Now, what I would like to see, yo, DKAYC, thank you for that follow, my man. So what I would like to see personally is I would actually like to see one more move up here, only because I am long and I'm a little underwater, because I expected this daily to close flat, but it doesn't really matter. I do expect to move up, right, and then we fill down. So probably like that. Come up here, 22, 21K. What is there? I mean, a lot of people are like, well, why is that your target? Well, a very simple thing to use if you're not very good at trading or charting or any of this shit is the Bollinger Bands. We call them the basic bitch bands, okay? The Bollinger Bands, the BB bands right here. As you can see, we still haven't even touched this high. We're starting to open it up. We're starting to open up our range. So this is, I would like this to see us wick up right here like this, some type of denial, come back down, wick up here, some type of denial, come back down. We've opened up the range a little bit, and then we continue up to range high. Very similar to what we see here. But look at this, rejection, right? Down to lows would be sick, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think they're going to keep it bullish here, touch the mid BB. That would make a lot of sense. So even lower than what my invalidation is. So say we'll play this Bollinger Band. Come down here, pop up, and like I said, you make this rejection, come here, you start opening up the Bollinger Band range. Same thing kind of happens here. So maybe we come down there. Maybe we do shake people out that low. Regardless, we're going to 24, 25K. We are going to 24, 25K. This isn't financial advice. This is facts. I've done this long enough. I have to know that it is bullish, at least in the daily to weekly for right now. What happens in a few weeks from now, I can't tell you. All right, I don't think the bottom is in, which is why I'm not saying the bottom. Osprey 420, thank you for that haul. Which is why I'm not saying the bottom is in. I do think this is a range. We're gonna play the range. I also do think there's a chance we can come up here above this range at 26K, no doubt. Even maybe a little bit higher, maybe 27K. Whatever it is, we will play this range. We will short this area into the new lows. Why don't I think the lows are in? Unfortunately, fam, here's the weekly. We're gonna see this nice fat range before the new lows come in. This could be going on for weeks to months, but the S&P low, right, is not in my personal opinion. All right, here's the S&P. Hot volatility going up. I like to see that. Look at it. People don't realize if this is to break out right here, this trend line, right? If this were to break out up here, which is possible, right? We're talking big time pump for Bitcoin. We could fill the volume gap all the way up to the 37, 38K, 36K. I'd be okay with that. Look, here it is. I don't know why. Look, you can see them on the weekly. Volatility up. We started out the stream. I said this looked down, and now it's up. I mean, it's crazy. They're selling, the buying right now. They're not making. By the way, they're not making it easy. Let me go the 1 hour time frame. Check this out. They ain't making longs easy. You guys want to check this out? This shit is fucking crazy. So first off, this is real TA. We got a giant cup and handle. What makes this handle is a cup and handle. Yeah, that's right. Beautiful shit right here. Okay, here's our cup, right? We need a handle to go with that cup. Here's our handle. Wait, what are you talking about, Savage? Yeah. This whole thing was our handle right there, right? Which was a giant cup and handle. Fucking, I mean, what else do you want to see? I mean, this shit, it's crazy. They didn't even let you get in. They didn't even, once you broke this resistance right here, they did not even let you get in. They're like, boom, you should have done your TA, sorry. Boom, 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 boom. Everyone's like, pull back at 18.5. Oh yeah, they didn't sweep those lows. And you're bitter. And you're bitter, fam. Facts, were you the one telling us to sell the local bottom and not to sell the local top? What are you talking about, Marcin? Boskoff? Ah, goodness, my man. Do I need to pull up something for you to see? Okay. Okay. Look, I'm just gonna ignore you, Marcin. You got more to say, dude? Just go check my Twitter feed, dude. I straight up was bearish at the top. Everyone in this stream will vouch. I was literally bearish at the top of this range right here. Bearish up here. I've longed down here now twice. Short the cup. No, Marcin, that's not what I said. Short the cup. It's all right, Marcin. We got you, bro. Got you. It's probably just it's just like it's a language barrier thing. I get it, my man. We all got those things. So look, cup and handle, no pullbacks, right here. Broke it. Look at this shit, dude. It's fun. Look at broke it. Retest, bang. Retest. Yeah, bought on spot down to 19K. We didn't just buy on spot. We bought an 18K and we bought a 19K twice. Okay? Twice. One here. You've had your opportunities. You just do your charting. There's no reason to short down here. We're going to be bullish down here. Buy that spot, baby. Okay? Look at this. right? Boom, boom, no pullbacks, no pullbacks. Range here, resistance here. As you can see, it's clean resistance right there. And deviation, come back up here, deviation. All right, actually. And now we're waiting to break this high. Right here, the 1 hour at about 21,686. Marsh said short the cup. You know what? What's funny is, yeah, you do short the cup. You know, because if you short the cup, if you had shorted the cup, actually, that's a good trade, right? You see this giant cup, and you're like, all right, that's 2%, dude. Times that by leverage, that's a pretty chunky trade. Been trying to catch 2% all day. Yeah. You know? You do short the top of the cup if you know where the top of the cup is. The range is pretty clear. It's pretty clear here. Right? Boom. You can see the resistance. Rejection here. Support. If you had shorted this. Boom. Even if you didn't catch the whole move, it's at least 2%, 1.5%. Stop loss not hit yet. From what? Quick TA question. I was waiting for a retest in 19.5 after that breakout and it never came. What's the best way to play it when that happens? It depends on the price action. Like, this was obviously bullish. The fact we skipped this whole range right here, right over when overnight when I was, the fact we skipped all that, and that's what you want to see here, is you want to see them skip. Want to see them skip this overnight, which is definitely possible. 22.6. We just see a crazy move like that. But if you know price action and you've been here a while, honestly, you just long the first pullback you get. Even if you just have a low leverage trade, don't put a lot of money on it. Leverage, you know, look, you had pullback here, longed here. I mean, imagine I rejected here. I closed my trade right here, basically. On support. A little bit higher than support. I closed my trade. But, you know, profit's profit. There's always another trade. There's always another trade. So we've got the CME. You know, a lot can happen this week, fam. A lot can happen. Let's look at the basic levels we should be watching for today, right? There's a daily, or this week, excuse me. There's the daily open. Mid-month. Month high. Yeah, we're going to month high. Previous month low. I mean, look at this. The range is right there on the spaceman indicator, baby. Right there. Boom, boom. By the way, fam, okay, this is another reason to be happy about. Look at that. We're pumping the close. I actually saw this on volatility. This is why I've been getting chopped up. I've been using volatility all weekend on the low time frames, and oh god, it's a fucking ride. It's a ride. It's a grind. Let me just tell you, this volatility fucking indicator will fuck you two times the Wednesday, and it will literally make you feel like a god sometimes. I mean, it plays it both ways. Either way, the fact that we're walking down the RSI and we're moving price action up is actually bullish, even though that's bearish divergence, excuse me. I know it's stupid, but for Bitcoin shit, like when we have this impulsive move out of here, out of the lows like that, trap people out of the lows, it moves quick. There's very little pullbacks. I do think there's a chance we could hit the CME. If you do see 21.3, I would long it. I don't think we're going to see below 21K. You mark my words. So I would long 21.3 if you got that opportunity. and stop loss 21K. That's not financial advice, obviously. That's just how I play it. Like my liquidation's gonna be under 20.7. If you don't want to play the stop loss, but most people that don't play the stop loss end up getting wrecked. A lot of people go sleep on that shit. If you don't know what you're doing, you don't have the conviction, confidence on Adam 4 hour. What do you think? Let's go check out Adam right now. Go check out Adam. But like you need conviction. I'm not gonna write. Oh my god, Adam has a friggin' bull flag, bro. That's a beaut, dude. That is a look at those giant trend lines, baby. That's a beaut, bro. That's a bull flag if I've ever seen it, dude. That makes that actually is great conviction right there. Seeing something like this, Adam, with this 30-minute bull flag, bro, like it makes you know. Yeah, it makes you think like you're definitely going up, dude. I really owe I am Jackass an apology. He shilled along at the top, and then we came back and we literally like right over here. We shilled along over here. Oh, bears, why are you bearish? And then fucking now you're breaking the hot top. Now I'm eating my words. I owe the guy an apology. That's how quickly this market changes. Yeah, but that was at 23. That was at 24K. He was shilling that shit. We had a huge pullback. I think it's miscommunication mostly. You get these people that get really sensitive, but you give them a little bit of hard time. I thought we were on that level that we could give like each other a hard time, like shoot the shit, joking. But clearly it wasn't that way. He blocked me. He unfollowed me and blocked me when I gave him a hard time about this. Literally showed the top wick over here. But look, fam, like I'm a different type of player. I'm just a trader. Like this may be bearish here. I could be bullish here. I could be bearish here. I could be bullish here. Like that doesn't make me a bear or bull. That doesn't make me better than anybody else. It's just different. It's just different language, different communication. And it's unfortunate. I've actually lost a lot of acquaintances, friends on Twitter with miscommunication, whether it's language barrier. Honestly, language barrier. Like I'll tell you what, I called, this is a good story. I called December 2020, right when the bull market was starting. Crypto Capo. We were actually good friends. We shoot the shit. He followed me. I followed him, and he wasn't as bullish as I was in December 2020, which was the beginning of the bull run. And I said, whatever you say, champ. I called him champ, and like where I come from, champ is a compliment. Like champ, like champion, like a champion. Champ. And I called him champ, and he took it completely the wrong way. Turns out he's from Europe, and I guess that's not a good thing to call somebody. So anyway, he blocked me, and I'm sitting there and I'm thinking like, dude, like I was just giving you a hard time, like I was like, well, yeah, whatever you say, champ, like, and I come off condescending, a dick, and I'm arrogant, and look, fam, I'm just here to make money. I don't really care where the price goes. I'm just here to make money. After starting the day up like $150, I lost like 15%. I lost like 50, basically. Lost, which is nothing, it's nothing crazy. But the fact is when you lose, and then you lose some confidence and you lose some conviction. Ramit 9999, thank you for that follow. Oh, 8 figures. Look, really? I didn't know that. See, I mean, if Capo's Australian, I insulted him. Well, yeah, I saw that 1 hour rising wedge, my man. So the Ripierno, this is what I see. Look at this volatility. Oh, 8 figures. I mean, 8 figures. See this volatility kicking up? So we're ranging, right? We're ranging on the 2 hour, but we got the kick up in volatility. We could. I would really like to see 22.3. By the way, my wife told me to make this a short stream because I had to. Last night she went out of town. She went to bridal shower shit. I hung out with my cousin. Yeah, ETC for sure, bro. Check out that ETC. ETC? What? ETC with the house. Yo, we're gonna have a vote on what Savage should put up here. So I want some community flair. Fam, I want like ideas of like what to put up here. All right, so I already have a Sav neon light going right over there in that corner. But like I want like little objects, and I got somebody that's contributing to it. And they're gonna put up somebody decided to get me an Elon Musk like smoking a joint with that podcaster. What's Joe Rogan? You know, just some stupid shit. You know, we're gonna put it up there. It's gonna be like community flair. So I hope you guys enjoy that. We're checking ETC right now. Look at it. Daily doesn't look that great. What's interesting about this move is Bitcoin dominance is still moving up. Check this out, right? Here's daily Bitcoin dominance, right? Here's daily Bitcoin flat. Look at Ethereum. Not doing as well as Bitcoin, all right? This move is all about Bitcoin dominance bouncing, okay? We're going to see it bounce here. I actually want to go back to these previous bounces and find out January 15th, 16th. Let's see what happened from January 15th, 16th to June 13th. January 15th, 16th to June. All right. So all right, so we had this and then dump. Bitcoin dominance bounce right there. This and dump. Damn. But then a pump. Damn, are we gonna really do like a fake out? We had the dump. Hold on. All right, hold on. Fuck that up. 15, 16. There you go. Right? So we got a couple flat dailies. Oh shit, dude. All right, so look, fam. Imagine this is now, right? Come down here, 17.6. We come up here to the highs, we distribute, and then we dump. Imagine that, right? But best part is we hit a new low and then we come up higher. So we're looking at something like this is where we're at now. This is crazy, dude. This would not surprise me one bit. This would not surprise me one bit, fam. Telling you, this is it, dude. Oh, I gotta get it to fit my bias. This is it right here. There we go. Get everyone bullish here. We get some rejection. Go down new lows. Yeah, we'll check the merges this week. Short it. Closing actually bullish right now. See the dailies, they're fighting the daily right now. Daily level. Damn, dude. Mr. Fat Finger over here. Yo, fam, I'm so sorry. I don't do news, Wooks. You know that? Ethereum is behind Bitcoin right now. I mean, it's still bullish. I think Ethereum's going to be... Ethereum is at resistance. Two-day looks fine. Look at that 2-day Bitcoin. Here's my pump of the close, baby. Look at the 2-day. Check this out. We caught the 21 EMA, the yellow one. Now we just got the 50 to test, which is confluence with the top of the daily Bollinger Band, which is confluence with the daily 50 MA, all that shit, fam. We bullish. By the pullback, baby. At least at 25K. It could go here, reject, and go lower like that fractal I just showed you, but we're gonna keep it bullish, fam. Yo, mad love. I have exciting news tomorrow morning. I'm starting a new schedule. I know I said I've been on for the New York stream, New York Open before, but to be honest, fam, I couldn't get my life together, schedule together. Not gonna lie. So tomorrow I'm waking up, I'm going to the gym, I'm gonna have all this energy, and I'll be back by the New York Open. And I'm gonna be live streaming trading live for 2.5 hours at the New York Open. All right, it'll be my first time ever doing that. Come watch me, support me. 2.5 hours, New York Open, stock exchange tomorrow. Live trading, streaming, scalping. I'll just be scalping. It's a scalp account. But either way, come by, check me out, support me, to see why I take a long, why I take a short. Come mind fuck me and talk shit in my chat, whatever you want to do. But